Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom. How you doing?
Your father just won the bridge tournament. I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, kids. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
What did the 49ers do last night?
The 49ers beat the Raiders 23-11.
Yes! Order the cab.
A cab will be down in 5 minutes.
What's on my schedule? What's the weather today? Turn on the AC. Turn up the volume.
Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Timmy.
Hey, Timmy.
Hello, John.
Hey, Timmy. Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hey, Timmy, play some music.
Hey, Timmy. Make a video. Hey, Timmy. Order pizza.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, save some for me.
Teamy, the personal robot. You at the center.
Be at home from anywhere. Introducing Genie, the new user-friendly way to turn your home into a smarter home in just 2 easy steps. First, place Genie on any compatible home appliance around the house. Then, download the Genie app to your smartphone and start controlling your home using your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Genie, the smarter smart home solution.
Health news this evening. New research predicts air pollution worsened by climate change will likely cost tens of thousands of lives if changes are not made. The study published in Nature Climate Change estimates 60,000 people could die of air pollution.
I've been using Breeze for around 6 months.
It is so convenient. I can't imagine living without it now. The greatest feature of Breeze is the fan on the side. With the filters, it can effectively filter PM 2.5 and users still feel nice and easy.
Other than going to work, I'm used to wearing Breeze wherever I go.
With Breeze, not only the whole mask fits my face perfectly, but also I can adjust the tightness to make it as comfortable as I want.
We are always trying to fight with all virus in this urban jungle. However, facial expression is a universal language. It's a pity to cover it.
Poor sleep and daytime drowsiness are our enemies and epidemics of the 21st century. They are often the reasons for our failures, depression, and health issues. We all could use more restful sleep, extra energy, and better concentration to reduce stress, advance performance, look younger, and fully enjoy life. SleepMan was developed by our scientists and engineers to solve these problems. It includes the features needed by most of us and was created to boost our success and improve our lives. The new SleepMan is fully upgraded based on suggestions from the Kickstarter community received during our first campaign. The unique e-magnetic enhancer safely stimulates your nervous system with scientifically patterned impulses. You likely wouldn't feel them, but you'll definitely wake up fully refreshed and stay more productive and energetic all day long. SleepMan effectively improves your sleep. Throughout the night, it monitors your sleep stages, enhances sleep efficiency, and wakes you up at the right moment within your preset time range, so you feel better rested and energized. During the daytime, it monitors your biosignals and notifies you of tiredness and concentration loss. SleepMan's bioactive power nap and relaxation mode is one of the most effective ways to eliminate drowsiness. Every one of us is unique. That's why SleepMan utilizes self-learning technology and adapts to its users' biorhythms for the best results. The SleepMan app tracks your improvements and shows how to adjust your daily routine to feel even better. We've designed the new SleepMan to be modern-looking and comfortable to wear around the clock. It fits any hand and easily matches any outfit for any occasion. One day, SleepMan might even save you or your loved ones. Most accidents are caused by loss of concentration. SleepMan's Focus Loss Alert gives you a timely warning and never lets you lose control, whether you are spacing out on a date, driving, working, socializing, or playing on your computer. Today, we need your help to start production, and together we can help the world to sleep and live better. Thank you for your support from our team and everybody who needs SleepMan.